What if you could wake up to the smell of warm blueberries and cinnamon without spending all morning in the kitchen? Hi friends, welcome to another edition of Everyday Eats with Ellen. Today, we're going to be making easy and tasty blueberry cinnamon toast in the Instapot. Yes, this is perfect for busy mornings, brunch with friends, or any special event. So let's get cooking. Okay, moment of truth. Let's give this a taste. The bread is very moist, has a lot of good texture. The blueberries are just bursting with sweetness. This is very easy, very delicious. You know, I love sharing recipes with you, and I look forward to the next time with Everyday Eats with Ellen.